everyone.
Hi everyone. Today I just wanted to show you quickly a small world dinosaur land we made. So we've got our dinosaurs. I just used some rainbow rice I had left over, but you can just use plain rice, doesn't have to be coloured. And moon dough, which is flour and oil mixed together until you get this kind of consistency where you can squeeze it together and it stays together, but then you can break it and it crumbles. Okay, lots of fun, really satisfying, very mouldable, which is why I brought out the number moulds. Okay, it's fun to tap and break the shapes, so I brought the mini mallet out. Oscar, would you like to demonstrate? There we go, break it, break it. Loves to break things, yeah? Nice job. Okay, so we've got dinosaurs, stickle bricks, have a bit of construction. I thought blue for water, green for the grass, and the trees, and the bushes. And I found some gardening pots, good for mountains. Just some trays. These are great for, sorry, not trays, little bowls. Great for scooping, or collecting, and sorting. If your little one wants to do that, okay. And my favourite, we used loo rolls. So I've had a look through the recycling. Got the loo rolls. Cut through them and roll them up till they're smaller. And we've got loads of rosemary out in the garden, so I just made little balm trees with them, stuck them in there, and that's it. Make up a little, oh yeah, of course, these sponge cloths, bit of texture, extra texture, and shape as well. Cut them into triangles, so if your little one recognises shapes, you can try adding different shapes to your small world tray. Of course, it doesn't have to be this big. You can do it in a baking tray. You could just do it on a mat with whatever materials. This works well with sand. It works well with dry food materials like lentils, rice, oats. Okay, and just add in some tools for scooping, tools for banging or smashing, as Oscar loves to do, tools for construction, small world toys like dinosaurs. You could make a car world, you could make a, I don't know, a farmland, anything you want. Just use your imagination, or let your little ones use their imagination, and have lots of fun with it. Okay, we're out in the garden on this lovely day. This is great because it's quite messy. Moon dough does get everywhere, so if you do moon dough, which is very easy to make sure you use a mat if you're inside, or go outside. It's really satisfying for the little ones and the big ones too. Okay, hope you enjoy. Say bye, Oscar.
Bye.
we're going to get busy here. We'll be out here for a little while, and I will post the aftermath pictures. Bye.